If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
Today, meron tayong package, guys. And it is from PSA. So this one is a batch 41. Our batch 41, guys. Yeah, you heard it right. 4-1. And may magaganda din kasi sa dito eh. So let's see the grades for this batch. Alright. And first box first. Mas konti yung first box. Yung isa muna. We got plenty of slabs here. Plenty. So ito yung mga cards, guys. Sorry na sa angle. Yan lang yung pwede kong anuin para sa kita yung mga Pokemon. First is Cerulege PSA 9 from Prismatic Illustration Rare. Next one, Gardevoir PSA 10 from puro 10 yung Gardevoir. Wala pa ako napapaten na Lucario. Meron isa ako napaten na Charizard. Next one, Zapdos from Destined Rival Asia Purchase Bonus PSA 10. And then the Reshiram Journey Together Backstopper PSA 10. Next one, the Victini PSA 9. Red Victini, guys. Next one, Bulbasaur PSA 10. Ganda nito, guys, ha. Not bad. Next one, Sobak PSA 9. Next, Lucario PSA 10. Dati mahal nito, no? Ito yung first Mega Evolution cards, guys. Next one. So if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or you can drop off your cards. Wala man load. At Capi Manaya, ready game start here in Tarlac. So Rayquaza Emerald PSA 5. So susungit nila sa vintage, guys. Kaya kung ano nyo, huwag kayong magbi-vintage. PSA 10 Venusaur, kung hindi naman sobrang kung aiming kayo for 10 tapos hindi sobrang alanganin yung card, sungit sila dun, guys. Lachas from SSP Surging Sparks PSA 10. Groudon PSA 10. Next one, Gardevoir PSA 10 from Mega Brave, Mega Symphonia pala. Next one, Mega Absol PSA 10. Next one, Lily's Determination PSA 10. Next is Dawn from Inferno X PSA 10. Mega Lachas PSA 10. Shanks from OP09 Manga English PSA 10. Nami Japanese PSA 10. Halos PSA 10, guys, PSA 10. Not bad for this submission. So meron pa tayong isa, guys. I-unveil natin. Ayusin lang natin, guys. Team box. So plenty of cards here. First one, Mars Shadow PSA 10. Next, Venusaur from, what do you call this? Mega Brave. Next one, Kangaskhan PSA 10. Nami from EBO1 PSA 10. Gold Roger PSA 10. Charizard PSA 9. Mangazoro PSA 10. Grabe. Umbreon PSA 10. Ang mamahal nito guys. Gold Roger again for PSA 10. And lastly, the Bubble Zoro for PSA 10. So yun guys yung ano natin, submission for this month. I mean, matagal na to eh. Ngayon lang dumating. So estimated time of arrival talaga nila is 4 to 6 months if walang delays. So probably nandun yung range nila. So wait lang. So guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos, or you can drop off your cards here at Cafe Manaya. So yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.